welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Video, we're going to learn the fowls and the birds, guys. So this video, guys, is very important. Don't forget to subscribe. Terso Ableremo channel, guys. So we will learn, we can see different birds and fowls, guys. Then subscribe also for Terso Ableremo channel. Then hit the button bells. Then you're gonna thank you for in advance for watching this video about the fowls birds, guys. Number one here is the quails. So you notice the quails are the birds, very nice birds that we can find on land, guys. These quails can find in the cogon. Then we have the fowls and rooster, guys. So we have the red jungle fowl and the rock rooster. So rock rooster and the red jungle fowl, guys. Then we have the another is go back to the quail, guys. Very nice birds. We can find this kind of birds over the Philippines, guys. Then we have another is the so-called eagle owl. We have the eagle owl and the long-eared owl, guys. So very nice also kind of birds. So owls, eagle owl, long-eared owl. Then we have the heron. Heron, we can see also the gray heron and the great blue heron. So very nice kind of birds that we can see on the pond. Then we have also the vultures. We have the turkey vulture and the king vulture, guys. So those who follow this video, you can learn this kind of birds and fowls. Then we have the hornbill or kalaw in Tagalog, hornbill. Very nice kind of bird also. Then these are the birds that we call peacocks. Peacocks are very nice kind of birds. So we have the peacock, guys. Then we have the eagles. We have bald eagles and the imperial eagle. Bald eagle and the imperial eagle is on this video. Then we have the seed eaters, the common cardinal and the blue grosbeak. Okay. Then followed by the cuckoos, emerald cuckoos, the hawk cuckoo and the spotted cuckoo, guys. This very nice kind of birds also. Then we have the kind of birds, the so-called pigeons and doves. So we have the rock dove. We have the racing pigeon and the turtle dove. Okay, and lastly we have the swans. We have the black swan and the other one is the mute swan. Okay, those are the different kinds of birds. Subscribe my YouTube channel, Terso Ableremo channel, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching the different kinds of birds. Thank you very much. I love you all. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching for Terso Ableremo channel, guys. Thank you for your support. Thank you.